Hey everyone, welcome back to CoinExplorer. Today, we're diving into a coin that's been making waves online, the 2010 Pilipinas 10 Piso coin. Some people are claiming this coin is worth $274 or even more. But is that actually true or just another internet myth? In this video, I'll show you the real value of this coin, its history and design secrets, and how you can tell if your coin is actually rare. So don't skip, because your pocket change might surprise you. Let's start with the basics. The 2010 Pilipinas 10 Piso coin comes from the Philippines, officially issued by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Here are its key specs. Year, 2010. Type, circulating coin. Material, bimetallic. Weight, OLE 8.7 grams. Diameter, about 26.5 millimeters. This coin is part of the older Philippine currency series used before the newer designs were introduced. Now let's talk about design, because collectors love details. Obverse front. You'll see the combined portraits of two national heroes, Andres Bonifacio, Apolinario Mabini. These figures represent the struggle for Philippine independence. Reverse back. The Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas seal, surrounded by gear-like patterns, symbolizing economic strength. This design gives the coin both historical and modern meaning, a big reason collectors admire it. Now, let's address the big question. Is this coin really worth $274? Here's the truth. According to real collector market data, the 2010 10 Piso coin is typically worth between 80 cents to $2.60 depending on condition. Yes, that's less than $3 in most cases. Even top condition coins usually stay under a few dollars unless something unusual is present. So where does the $274 claim come from? It usually comes from fake listings, clickbait videos, or misunderstanding of rare error coins. Now here's the exciting part. Your coin could be valuable, but only under special conditions. Mint errors. Look for misaligned designs, double strikes, missing details. These can increase value significantly. Uncirculated condition. Coins that are shiny, scratch-free, never used, can sell for higher prices. Rare variants. Some coins have slight design differences, production anomalies. These are the ones collectors hunt for. Important tip. Most coins in circulation are common, meaning they stay close to face value. Here's something many beginners don't realize. Coin value depends on condition grading, rarity, collector demand. Even millions of coins were produced, making most 2010 pieces very common. That's why exaggerated prices can be misleading. Be careful of online posts saying, "This coin is worth hundreds of dollars," because in most cases, it's not true. Always check trusted coin websites. Compare sold listings, not just asking prices. Verify with experts. So, is the 2010 Pilipinas 10 Piso coin worth $274? In most cases, no. But rare versions can be valuable. Now I want to hear from you. Do you have this coin in your collection? Have you ever found a rare coin in your change? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe to CoinExplorer. Share this video with fellow collectors, because your next coin might be a hidden treasure